What's up, everybody? This is Chance.
I'm Tyler. What's up?
And today we are trying to figure out what's wrong with Tyler's piece of shit car. But we're also installing.
It's supposed to be snail installing today.
Oh shit!
But it decided to break down the way, so
Yep.
guess we don't get to do that.
I don't know if you can hear us over this giant fucking jet engine right here.
We have a jet going.
It's cold as fuck in this garage. Yeah, we're installing the new turbo kit and trying to figure out what's wrong with Tyler's car. It broke down on the way to his garage.
Front wheel just decided to lock up.
Yep. So, wheels locked up, so we're gonna drain the transmission fluid. And
Find out what's wrong.
yep.
You gonna showcase price on your bids?
Gonna do everything.
I was trying to drain my oil and I tightened it.
I was tightening it
The whole fucking time. Still haven't drained my oil. Well, let's see what we got. Hopefully this tells us what's wrong. Oh boy.
Here it comes.
Or not, because
There's.
metal. Lots of metal.
Is it really?
You see how fucking terrible it is? That's the smell we were smelling last night, dude. Smell that.
Fuck, yeah, I can smell it. Yeah, you can see all the fucking.
There goes the tea cakes. Your camera's over.
Fuck!
Good shot, Chance.
The camera fell over!
So he got the shot.
I got the shot of the ground.
Oh, that smells right.
Dude, that smells fucking delicious.
It's transmission gear oil
I'd eat that on my pancakes.
with the combination of ass.
I don't even know if they can hear us right now. Over that.
Yes, they can! You say they. Who's they? Me and you when we watch it back?
Yeah, exactly. Our friends. Alright, we are back and we skipped all of the boring parts of taking
all of the everything.
all of the everything. But this is what it looks like right now. We're about to pull the engine out and bring the hoist in. Alright, here we are, about to pull the engine out. We're just making sure no lines are caught anywhere.
Oh, we're about to pull in.
Fingers crossed.
Another straight hole.
Oh shit.
It's fine.
Alright, ready? There we go.
She's out, boy.
There she is.
Fucking oily disaster.
Shit. Look at that little baby turbo. Look at that little. So we just finished up pulling the transfer case from Tyler's engine. We're gonna.
Oh, and that's the culprit.
Yeah. So his driver's side wheel or front driver's side?
Passenger side.
Your passenger side?
Locked.
Yep. Passenger side locked up, and driver's side was fine. So we're gonna take apart the T case.
Yeah, so we finally found the issue after pulling the entire motor out. Where's a little piece? So this piece used to go right there. Used to fit in, you know, and be one solid piece of metal. So basically that right there used to be exactly this. But as you can see from all the metal in here, she's done. That's why my car wouldn't run. It would run, but not move.
Well, at least we figured it out. Figure out.
Now we got the car for the turbo install.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.